Okay, today's February 1st, right? First day of February. This is page 300. Okay, so it says, when you summarize a text, you briefly describe the most important ideas. A summary starts by stating the central idea or what the text is mostly about. It supports the central idea with the most important or relevant details from the text. It finishes with an interesting thought or detail. Good writers describe the central idea and important details in their own words. They describe the details accurately and objectively without adding their own opinions. Okay, so it tells us read descriptions of important ideas in going to the extreme. Write an A next to each idea that is accurate and free of opinions. Write an O next to each idea that contains an opinion that does not appear in the original text. Okay, so this is okay, so what they want you to do is go through, mark an O next to the ones that do not appear in the original text, and if you need to turn back to find those, you can. Okay, write an A next to each idea that is accurate and free of opinions, right? Okay, so find ones that are free of opinions for the A. Okay, I want you guys to go ahead and do those, and then we'll talk about them in just a minute. Okay, so the first one that they did for us said many crazy athletes get involved in extreme sports that are just too dangerous, and they do it for three main reasons, right? So what part of that tells us that that's probably got some opinion in it? What words? Just too dangerous, right? That's to who, right? I mean, that it kind of depends on who, on what your opinion is, right? Okay, so then number two, many athletes participate in extreme sports despite the risks, and they keep coming back for three big reasons. That's what? I would say that's an A, right? Okay, that's pretty straight to the point. That's straight from the article. Okay. All right, number three, extreme athletes love the rush they get when they are successful at a stunt, and this motivates them to keep doing the sport. Huh? I think A also, yeah. Okay, pretty straight to the point, right? Okay, good. All right, number four, when extreme athletes hear that a stunt is impossible, they can't resist trying it, which is great because then they can improve their skills. Okay, so what about this one? Probably A. Okay. Uh, they can't resist trying it, which is great because then they can improve their skills. The book put an O on that one. Okay, so and I think just that simple part where they put they can't resist trying it is kind of an added piece. That's kind of the added opinion part. Okay, so that would be an O. All right, number five. These athletes have to train a lot, and this makes them so fit that they are almost too perfect. That would be an O, right? Okay, they kind of threw a lot of different things in there. Okay. All right, so now final thought or detail number six. Both athletes and fans find extreme sports exciting. Yeah, I think it's an A because I mean, yes, otherwise it wouldn't even exist, right? If there weren't some fans of it and there weren't some athletes that found it really exciting, it probably wouldn't even exist. Okay, then we've got number seven right here. You were supposed to pick one of these sentences and rewrite it so that it was more, so that it didn't have opinions, right? Okay. So you guys, I'll kind of check those as you guys turn those in. But I'll leave that. We won't talk about that right now. You're just supposed to rewrite it on your own, and I'll check those as they come in. So, okay. All right. We all good on that one? Okay. It's page 300.